Hey again, Luke Somerset of Group Lark here. First I'll be discussing our use case diagram, and later I'll tell you about our system sequence diagram. Here is our use case diagram. As you can see, our use cases are bisected between two types of actors. The actor on the left is the reader actor, who has public, read-only access to the cloud database. They may request items to be loaned or donated, which updates the cloud database, and subsequently the local database. Readers may also generate files that summarize an item record. The actor on the right is labeled as the editor actor. In truth, this single actor represents both editors and administrators, as their use cases are identical in this diagram. The editor actor uses the system to manage various elements of the local database. The local database is synced with the cloud database. Here's our system sequence diagram. Again, the sequence is split between those who edit the database and those who view it. Both admins and editors manage various elements within the local database. The local database syncs with the cloud database. Readers may view the cloud database and request item reports, which are sent by the cloud database. Readers may also request an item loan or donation. This request is delivered to the cloud database, which updates the local database upon cloud sync. Afterwards, the admin may view the request on the local database.
Hello, my name is Raul Cano and I'm from Group 1 and I'm a team member and this is our domain class diagram. The, the diagram has the admin class, a user class, the museum class, a category class, the artifact class, and the tag class. The museum class is our main system and the museum class has a name, location, description, and has add exhibit, which adds a new exhibit to the museum. And then remove exhibit, which removes an exhibit from the museum, and get exhibits, retrieves all exhibits in the museum. And for the category class is add artifact, add an artifact to the category, or remove artifact, removes an artifact from the category. And get artifacts, retrieves all artifacts in the category. And we have the tag class, which is add artifact, associates an artifact with the tag. Remove artifact, which dissociates an artifact from the tag. And get associated artifacts, retrieves all artifacts associated with the tag. And for the artifact class is update description, updates the description of the artifact. Get image, retrieves the image of the artifact, and get details, retrieves detailed information about the artifact. And for the admin class is add exhibit, enables the admin to add a new exhibit to museum collection by providing exhibit details. Remove exhibit, removes an exhibit from the museum based on unique exhibit identifier. Update exhibit allows the admin to modify details of a specific exhibit. Approve artifact approves an artifact for display with the museum collection. Remove artifact removes an artifact from the system or a specific exhibit. Add admin permits the addition of another admin to the system. Remove admin removes admin privileges for specific admin from the system. View pending approvals displays a list of artifacts pending admin approval. And for user class is register, allows a user to register in the system, username, password, and email. Login enables user to log into their account. Search artifacts permits a user to search for artifacts using keywords and view exhibits. Displays a list of available exhibits in the museum. And thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Karen Villablanca and this is our activity diagrams. Let's start with the activity diagram for the readers or customers. As seen in this diagram, the reader initiates the activity by starting the system. They can view collections from the system's database. The system will provide collection information, and upon requesting an item report, the system generates and displays it if available. Otherwise, it notifies the requester. And after the reader reviews the report, they can request loans or donations, and that sends the request to the admin for processing. If there are no loan requests, the reader returns to viewing collections. Moving on to the next activity diagram, which is for the admin. You'll see here the administrator initiates the process by logging into the system. After authentication, the system grants access, and the administrator can perform various actions. These actions include updating the local and cloud databases, reviewing loan and donation requests, managing collections, and adjusting system settings. The admin notifies readers or requesters of declined requests. Otherwise, if they accepted, item will be released, requester will be notified, and the admin updates the system about the loan status of an item or donation information and then saving the changes. And lastly, the activity diagram for the editor. The editor starts by logging into the system and upon authentication gains access to the editor dashboard. From there, they review contributions, select an item or any contribution for editing, make necessary changes, and then save those changes for updates.
Hello, my name is Alexander Ochdorena. I am the project manager for the group LARC, and this is our state chart diagram. We start with the customer, which can log in to an account or create one. That will lead to the menu, or the customer can have a guest login to allow for no account and easy access to the information. This will lead to the menu. From the menu, the customer can add/request for more information. From there, they will be sent to a menu to submit the information that they want to add or request. From there, an admin either approves or denies. If the admin approves, it would then be added to the database. If the admin denies, then they will be sent a denial email, and that leads to the end. Back up to the menu, the customer can search, and from the search, the customer can return to the menu, and back to the search. Once the customer searches whatever they need to look at, they will then be displayed the information that they searched, and that will lead to the end.